Okay, good afternoon. Good morning, one and all. Today we will learn about the introduction to electronics. Myself, Smita Takalkar, as an assistant professor in ENTC department. Today we will learn introduction to electronics in the subject of basic electronics engineering in the course of 2019 course for revised syllabus in BXC. In this teaching methodology, we can learn the evaluation of electronics and the T1 has mentioning the reference book Electronics Devices by Thomas Floyd in the ninth edition Pearson book. You can see on that the course objective, the principle of electronics and working principle of PN junction diode, and the special purpose diodes you can use the electronics course objective. The next course outcomes, in the first unit we will learn the PN junction diode like a simple diode, laser diode, LCD, LED diode, and its circuits implementation for using a p-type of the intrinsic semiconductor as well as n-type of the intrinsic semiconductor. Okay, in a previous session already discussed on the evaluation of electronics and the vacuum tubes. In the year of 1904, the simplest vacuum tube used the diode was the invented by John Fleming. That is the John Fleming is invented in a laboratory, Bell Laboratory for the vacuum tubes in the year of 1904 for the scientist Lord De Forest, and in a 1907 the Lee De Forest invented by the triode, and that is the diode and the triode. Diode means two inputs. One is the P type means a positive terminal, on the N means the negative type terminal, and the Lee De Forest is invented triode by inserting the triode electrons. Triode, this is the three inputs. One is the electrons, N-type material, P-type materials, and one is the plate. And that is three inputs he is using a vacuum tube. In a system is the system or the equivalent circuits of electronics. You see on that here applying the input voltage. If the input voltage applied through the grid, what is mean by grid? Grid is using a semiconductor material is a maximum voltage if the diode or the any types of the diode is conducting after the 0.7 voltage, because the conducting stage of the diode is a 0.7 volt. 0.7 volt. He can apply the plate, grid, and the cathode. The cathode heater is heating after supply is on. With respect to the resistance, the current is increases. The Ohm's law is mentioning current is directly proportional to the resistors as well as voltage. Ohm's law is directly proportional to the resistance and voltage, or the voltage is directly proportional to the resistance and current. Anyway, you can use on that the sentence. But the supply here, plate supply. Plate supply means positive regulated power supply. You can use 12 volt supply. If the 12 volt supply is using through the resistance, then the plate is charged and the grid is automatically conducted through the using cathode heater. Here you can see the potential voltage V is 0, 100, 200 and the 300. If the supply voltage is increases, this is the supply voltage. If the input voltage is increases, according to the current is increases, then you can find out the output voltage. Input voltage is increases to the output voltage and the current is also increases. And this concept He is using deforest scientist. Lee deforest scientist, and the triode is the triode electron between the cathode and anode. Where is the cathode? This is the cathode, and here the point of the anode. But the cathode is conducting in a negative charge and anode is conducting a positive charge. Anode is conducting positive charge. The supply voltage is providing to the current. If the plate current is increases, then the vacuum is automatically increasing through the plate. Vacuum tubes. This is the number of images you can see on that, the vacuum tube images. Yeah, and that is vacuum tube you can see on your oldest tube lights, like in uh, you can use at your home in a previous last 10 years, that type of the tube lights. But the today's technology you can use for the LED bulbs or the LCD bulbs for the charging bulbs, and that type of the bulbs you can using in transistors only, not a vacuum tubes. Okay, and this is the equivalent circuits of vacuum tubes using audio amplifier. What is mean by audio amplifier? Audio means sound, and amplifier amplify the single stage. In a diagram, first diagram you can see on that is a single one vacuum tube you can use, but here you can use for the two vacuum tubes, because here two stage amplifier using a vacuum tubes, or the two stage, instead of in a transistor you can replace on the vacuum tube and add their transistor. Add there in a transistor. Vacuum tubes of the audio amplifier. This is the input. Input you can see here with respect to the bypass capacitor, capacitor C of 5, and here the grid is connected to the RG, resistors of the grid. If the current is passing through the supply voltage, the resistance you can using controlling the current. And capacitors, you can using here the capacitance for the storage of the voltage, and directly connected through the heater is provided 6.3 volt for the channel 1 and 6.3 for the channel 2. According to the both the inputs or the both the stages, the diagram is repeated after the this C4 capacitor. Still diagram for this one is repeated. This is the diagram for the vacuum tubes, and the supply voltage, that supply voltage you can convert there one capacitor, that is the capacitor, and this capacitor is internally connected to the another grid. Then what type of the audio amplifier he can use? A vacuum tube, and its current is goes to increasing resistance of the R5 through plus 300 volts. That is the output, expected output of the audio amplifier. In our largest technology you can use on that. Okay, all of you got it? इथे काय केलंय? दोन vacuum tubes use केलेत, and these two vacuum tubes is कशासाठी कनेक्ट केले ते? इथे इनपुटला कनेक्ट केले ते. इनपुट काय असेल आपला? 230 volt 50 hertz, and this 230 volt 50 hertz is connected through the capacitor C5. C5 capacitor काय करेल? हा bypass capacitor use केलाय का? तर रेजिस्टर्सच्या अक्रॉस जो करंट पास होईल तो काय होईल, इथे इनपुटच्या अक्रॉस स्टोअर होऊन तो रेजिस्टरला फ्लो करेल. मॅक्झिमम करंट रेजिस्टर थ्रू कशाला जाईल, व्हॅक्यूम ट्यूबच्या ग्रीडला जाईल. हॅलो, students, you can understand what is the vacuum tube. ओके, मग त्यानंतर काय होईल, जो wait, right now. ओके, इथे काय आहे, दोन vacuum tubes आहे. These two vacuum tubes you can use here. That is the meaning of single stage or two stage audio amplifier. Then after that the grid resistors is connected to this vacuum tube, and this V1 6 volt 6 V6 is connected to second stage, and these two outputs is directly connected to here the transformer, and through the transformer you can use a loudspeaker, and maximum output voltage we will get there 300 volt plus 300 volt to the first audio amplifier, and that's type of the technology you can use a previous last 20 years because of the one political announcement or any announcement you can speak there the one type of the speaker, and that type of the speaker you know on the भोंगा भोंगा म्हणत होते ज्यावेळेस खूप वर्षापूर्वी अनाउन्समेंट किंवा काही करायचं असेल तर गावामध्ये किंवा सिटीमध्ये एकच अनाउन्समेंट व्हायची जी सगळीकडे सर्क्युलेट होती. These times you also use similar method for using a voting system. Voting, though in a voting in a previous, yes, दोन्ही पण सांगतीये, सेम सेंटेन्स रिपीटेड करती. हॅलो, तुम्ही जर लास्ट 10 इयर्स किंवा 15 इयर्स अज्युम केला असेल तर वोटिंगची सिस्टीम असेल किंवा मतदान वगैरे काही असेल तर त्यावेळेस ते स्पीकरची अनाउन्समेंट होते. आठवतंय? हा, त्याला काय म्हणतात, भोंगा म्हणतात. मोठं लाऊडस्पीकर असतं. हा, मग त्या टाईपच्या टेक्नॉलॉजी मध्ये हा व्हॅक्यूम ट्यूब यूज करायचा. कळलं? ओके, मग आताच्या येस, दिस राईट नाव करंट टेक्नॉलॉजी. आताच्या टेक्नॉलॉजी मध्ये काय यूज करतात, इन्स्टेड ऑफ व्हॅक्यूम ट्यूब यू कॅन यूज अ ट्रान्झिस्टर. कळलं? त्यावेळेस काय यूज करत होते, व्हॅक्यूम ट्यूब. मग आता आपल्याला काय करायचंय, हा व्हॅक्यूम ट्यूबचा जो सर्कल दिसतोय ना तुम्हाला इक्विव्हॅलेंट ज्या सर्किट डायग्राम मध्ये, तो रिप्लेस करून आपल्याला इथे काय यूज करायचा आहे, ट्रान्झिस्टर. देन व्हॉट इज मीन बाय ट्रान्झिस्टर? हॅलो, this technology is the computer in a computer University of Pennsylvania, that is the 1946 is the central processing unit, and there are 17,000 vacuum tubes, 7,000 crystal oscillator, 1,500 relays, 70,000 resistors, and the 10,000 capacitors, as well as the 6,000 manual switches. That is the number of input electronics devices you can use a central processing unit of the computer, and that is the system you can use in a personal computer or the device system. But the today's latest technology you can implement a transistor. Then what is mean by transistor? Instead of vacuum tube was bulky and fragile device. Bulky and please don't disturb me. You can don't understand. Please in between the session ask me the question. समजतंय का तुम्हाला काय चाललंय? ओके ओके हां लास्ट प्रिव्हियस इयरला काय यूज करत होतो आपण इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स डिव्हाइसेस मध्ये व्हॅक्यूम ट्यूब. आता काय यूज करायचं आपल्याला करंट. तुम्ही स्मार्टफोन यूज करता ना, मग स्मार्टफोन्स मध्ये तुम्ही व्हॅक्यूम ट्यूब नाही यूज करू शकत का? तर ते खूप बल्की होतं, हेवीली होतं. You can see on that this is the instrument, this type of the station, radio station, and that is the device in the previous years, in the year of 1931 to 1940. Still you can use there the vacuum tubes, but after that the scientist of the Bell, this Bell laboratory is invented first transistor. That is the transistor. He can implement a transistor. You can see on that. Also here transistor 24 volt 450. This is the very smallest device instead of vacuum tube, and that device you can use a 10 nanofarad or the zero point 0.1 nanofarad. You can use our smartphones, and this is the latest technology. You can use electronics devices. And first this right now I am teaching or learning, we will learn the previous technology, because of the this is the prerequisite of the transistors. Then year of 1947, Shockley Bredin and the Britain at Bell Labs invented the first transistor. In the year of 1947, first transistor is implemented. Then what is the wait a few minutes, my network is some issue. I am rejoining again. Okay. This transistors is implemented in a Bell Lab in the year of 1947. The first transistor That is the meaning of first transistor is a point contact transistor. Point contact is the one spring, and that is the plastic coating in between. This the plastic coating in outer side, and the inner side you can use for the emitter one LED, or here the collector lead. Emitter lead, that is the three parameters of the transistor. One is the base terminal, another is the emitter terminal, and third one the collector terminal. This is the contacts he can use a first transistor in implemented in a Bell laboratory. There are three terminal. One is the base, this is the base, middle is the emitter, and the third one is the collector. How to select on this transistor? You can select in the front of your face, and you can first left side is the emitter, right side is the collector, and the between means the center is the base. Then today's technology, what is the semiconductor technology? The bipolar transistor continue to be an important device, both the discrete device as the part of integrated circuit. What is mean by bipolar transistor? Transistors is the bipolar because here three inputs terminal. One is the emitter lead and another is the collector lead. And that's why it's using for the bipolar junction transistor. Means here there are three terminal. One is the P hole, electrons N, also holes. That is the P and P. P and P, and the device of the bipolar junction transistor we can implement it using a integrated circuits. You also however in a digital circuits such as the processors, memory, metal oxide semiconductor, field effect transistor also is surpass the bipolar transistor because the high integration density, low power consumption, that is the specification of MOSFET as well as the transistor. What is the specification of transistor? It is the three terminal device. It is the high density, low power consumption means power is also low. Then it's implemented a transistor surprise means the bipolar transistor you can implement a processing device. It's used for the digital circuits. That's why semiconductor technology it's a silicon material we will use in a semiconductor technology. In the year of 1930, patent filed in a lean field. The scientist he can implemented a first field effect transistor FET. 1930 patent filed by the lean field and the field effect transistor FET. And the year of 1958 Jack Kilby, and this is the Texas Instrument of the first integrated circuits like a bipolar transistor, resistor, capacitor fabricated on the single piece of the germanium. This is the rest of the history. Yes. MCQ based. This is the evaluation. Gets the 5 marks for the evaluation of electronics. That's why I am maximum. This is today is the what? No. I will share all the material, PPT, assignment, notes, lab manuals in a Google Classroom. Only still you can join on the Google Classroom link. Civil is different and the electrical is different. And one is the another announcement already discuss about the your email ID in a civil. That's you one students you can collect all the students email ID, and that and then I will send all the videos lectures in a YouTube videos lecture or the recording of lectures. I am sending the by email. Okay, got it. व्हॉट्सअपला व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्सची लिंक शेअर नाही करता येणार आहे. दॅट्स वाय आय एम सेंडिंग ऑल दी स्टुडंट्स प्लीज कलेक्ट युअर email ID in a one single students and send it to me. One is the Bhagesh and another is the Samruddhi. Electrical is the Samruddhi and the civil is the Bhagesh. And that's these two students, I am contact on these two students, collect the email IDs. I am sending all the videos and the YouTube videos and the recording videos for the lectures by email only, and the in a Google Classroom PPT material, assignments, lab manuals you can say collect on your Google Classroom. तुम्ही लोक मला मेल आय डी कसे सेंड करणार आहात? कारण बिकॉज ऑफ दी नो चॅनल इज क्रिएटेड इन अ टीम्स, दॅट्स वाय यू कांट ऍक्सेस द चॅट बॉक्स. तसं तर मी कालच परवाच्याच लेक्चरला सांगितलं होतं, गुगल क्लासरूम मी टीम्सच्या चॅटबॉक्स मध्ये शेअर केली होती आणि तिथेच तुम्ही मेल आय डी पण मला शेअर केले असते तरी चाललं असतं, पण तुम्हाला चॅटबॉक्स हा विजिबल नाहीये ना. हो, कारण की ते आता चॅनल क्रिएट नाही केलेलं ऍक्च्युली, कारण टू डिव्हिजन मर्ज आहेत ना, तर चॅनल क्रिएट नाही केलेला. दॅट्स वाय आय एम सेइंग दॅट one single students please collect the all email ID, then I am sending the recording material in by email and the other material by sending in a Google Classroom. And Google Classroom link I will share in a official WhatsApp group. Okay, only hello. Only recording is pending. That's why I am collecting a email ID, because of this is the authenticate for recording only. Okay, I also share the one recording in one students for recording link also Bhagesh or Samruddhi. She will send in a unofficial group for the YouTube link. Okay. In the year of 1930 patent is filed, and that is patent is filed in a scientist of Lean field, and this scientist is naming of the field effect transistor FET. Then the year of 1958 the another scientist Kilby, and this scientist is the instrument Texas Instrument demonstrated first integrated transistor. First integrated transistor means a bipolar BJT transistor, resistor, capacitor, and these all electronics active components is fabricated in the germanium, single piece of the germanium. These two material he can use in a semiconductor device. One is the silicon and another is the germanium. You can see also here the material, semiconductor device material in a chapter number 1. You can see on that the atomic structure. What is mean by atomic structure? In atoms, this is the atoms in a whole atoms for using a Bohr model already done in a 12th standard. What is the atom? Protons, electrons and the neutrons. In that the free electrons means the N material, its ionization means the diffusion, valence electrons means the free electrons in a valence band and the valence shell, and that is the whole concept is known as the one atom. Okay, and here the hydrogen atom, that is the hydrogen, one example of the hydrogen, and another example in a helium atom. This is the nucleus of the atom. Is here nucleus, here electrons, and here electrons. These electrons is the free electrons in a outer shell and the free electrons in a inner shell. That is the meaning of the atomic structure you can see on the integrated circuits. Okay, and this is the technology of single semiconductor. Technology is the diameter of 0.8 mm and the inner diameter is the 300 mm for the single chip. And here you can see the integrated circuits. This pins is the 40 pin IC you can use for the microcontroller or the microprocessor, and here the plastic coating material for the outer side, and the inner side he is using a silicon material. Through the there are 14 to 18 transistor for single IC, and in a transistor, that is the n type or the n type material, you can see PNP transistor or NPN transistor. In a PNP transistor means positive, positive and the negative, that is mean of the P type of the transistor, and the N type transistor, here N plus N and the play means the negative, negative and the positive. That type of the substrate he can using PNP transistor or the NPN transistor. Okay, this is the modern technology, means the today's technology. You can see on that one silicon vapor, and here the transistor you can see on that is the black indications, black dotted 1 2 3, that is the black dotted is the mark in a transistor, and that is the display. This is the display in your smartphones. This also diffusion in the furnace, means the here one device of the electronics, and here the laser beams you can use a semiconductor technology, that is the application based circuitry, and here central processing technology in a modern devices you can also see. Okay, the next lecture we will see the first, this is the industry. You can check on that the vapors or the how to processing in a particular parts. That's why the semiconductor is most important part in electronics devices. Okay, next lecture we will start in a active and the passive component with the chapter 1 semiconductors, and this part is the semiconductor atom, electron shells, orbits, valence, ionization and the numbers. Okay, and still here part you can complete in your safer side, and after finishing the first unit I will give the question bank or and first assignment. Then we will start the next lecture, semiconductors devices, for the page number 8. Here the starting of the syllabus, next lecture. Okay, got it? Okay, okay, thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Any queries for the atom structure or the modern semiconductor devices? Thank you. Yes. Yes, pattern is different because of the 2019 course is the syllabus is changed, and the today's 2019 course I am teaching a reference book only. Because in a directly your book is technical or the TETMAX publication, and that books is only directly go through the syllabus of first chapter. But I am right now teaching a prerequisite of electronics. Then after that starting for the semiconductor and the transistor. Previous lecture I am teaching a prerequisite. Today's lecture I am teaching a semiconductor. Next lecture we will start directly P type and the N type junction and the special purpose diode. Okay. Yes, I am taking attendance already. Who is Atharva Dubey? Who is Atharva? Because of these students is number times in a join in a meeting guest. You can join as a student or the presenter or attendees. You can join attendees. That's why number of times you can leave the meeting, and I am admitting the number of times in a lecture. Because why? You can join the guest. Next time you can join attendee. Okay? Atharva Dubey. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you. I am sending all material in a Google Classroom. You can join on that group. Okay.